Alright, what's up? Back with the vlog. Today, it's actually a reasonable time to be up. It's like 10 o'clock or something. But I'm going to fly in 2 hours and I have a lot of stuff to repair. So, give you a quick montage of that right now, and then I'll catch you in the car on the way to fly. Back with the vlog, in the car now, heading out to fly. We had a crazy last minute change of plans, and I didn't get to finish up all my repairs, but I do have the big plane behind me. That should be a lot of fun. I got my quad, my 5-inch, so you'll see footage from that. The only issue is it's 11:47 right now. I'm supposed to be at lunch at 11:50. Yeah. Alright, update. I'm officially late. It's 11:50 and I'm still 10 miles away. But what can you do? It always takes me longer to get everything in the car than I think it does. So note to self on that. When I'm editing, I'll remember. I always need to take more time. But I'm gonna pick up Jake now and then head to lunch. I'll update you once I get there. And then we got quick update, we're only going to be like 15 minutes late to meeting with Caden, so it's not too bad considering the situation. I mean, otherwise this red light is probably going to be like 16 minutes. But yeah, I'll update you next time I update. What's up? Back with the vlog. Finished lunch. We're out here getting ready to fly. We got most of LNF here. Got Caden and Jake. Gonna rip some 5-inch quads, put the twin dream up. Should be fun.
We
Oh, what's up? Back with the vlog. Jake is in the bushes. We got a wild Jake. Back here on Nature with D-Mulg. Jake is prowling through the bushes there, looking for a quad. Looks like he's found his prey. Oh, he's got it. He has got it. He is victorious. He has found his quad, and he now has to run all the way back around the road. So we're just gonna sun the big plane while we wait for him. It is so big. God, it's massive. 6 foot wingspan. Wow, legend. All right, let's send it. Look closer on the big screen.
You can't zoom it.
Ready? Right, here we go.
Oh shit, okay.
Bring it right over top. Look at that. Ooh. Slows down nicely. Just cruise. Put in guided
It's really
mode.
slow.
Hands off. Oh. All right, so I'm gonna wrap the vlog up here, but first I'm gonna try to test this new wing. I've been working on finding a good small EPP wing. I think I might have found one, but I have to test it. So. The Defiant 28 is incredible. There's going to be a lot more content with it in the future. I managed to bust the FPV camera lens on my first landing. But once you get the control throws and rates, everything dialed in, it is insane. That thing is on 4S. It's like 110 miles per hour, no sweat, in a straight line. I'm excited to fly this. There's gonna be a lot more content with that. But on that note, I'm gonna wrap the vlog up here. I really like doing these vlogs, so hopefully I know we'll have a lot more in the future. See you in the next one.